everyone, today we will talk about the perfect competition and monopolistic competition. Let's start from perfect competition. First of all, perfect competition is a market structure in which there are numerous sellers in the market selling similar goods that are manufactured using a standard method, and each firm has all information regarding the market and price, which is known as a perfectly competitive market. The perfectly competitive industry has 4 characteristics. 1. Homogeneous product. 2. Large number of buyers and sellers, numerous firms. 3. Freedom of entry and exit. And 4. Perfect information. Monopolistic competition is a market structure characterized by a differentiated product and freedom of entry and exit. Monopolistic markets exist when one company is the dominant provider of a good or service. Monopolistic markets are controversial because they can lead to price gouging and deteriorating quality due to a lack of alternative choices. Here you can see a comparative table. The principal difference between these two is that in the case of perfect competition the firms are price takers, whereas in monopolistic competition the firms are price makers. Perfect competition is not realistic, it is a hypothetical situation. On the other hand, monopolistic competition is a practical scenario. In perfect competition, marginal revenue is equal to average revenue. Total revenue is defined as a price per unit multiplied by a number of units sold. Therefore, average revenue will be equal to the total revenue divided by the number of units sold. Marginal revenue is defined as the change in the total revenue by selling an additional unit. In perfect competition, since all the units sold at an equal price, average revenue equals marginal revenue. In a monopolistic competition, any firm can have the power of pricing for a very short time, since any excess profit signal will attract other firms to enter the market. Consequently, if a firm wants to sell more of its output in a monopoly market, that firm will have to lower its price, and therefore the average income will decrease with an increase in the quantity sold. Also, as we all know, the demand curve tilts from left to right, so each time the firm will have to reduce the price of the product in order to sell the additional product. This is the reason that marginal income diverges wider and lower compared to the average income in the monopoly market. Thank you for your attention. I hope everything was clear. I wish you good luck and all the best.